Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix exception on invalid stack BSOD error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing BSOD error means blue screen of death error, and the error code is exception underscore on underscore invalid underscore stack, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method what you can try is you have to just open the command prompt, just click on this search menu, then type cmd, right click on this, click on run as administrator, then type here chkdsk space /f space /x space /r space c : enter, and it will ask that your disk is in use. Just you have to stop it by pressing Y, then hit enter. After that you have to just close this window. After that your PC will restart and it will check all your disk and it will fixes the issue automatically of your disk. This was the method 1, and the second method is you have to just restore your system. For that you have to just click on the start menu, then type here system restore, then click on create a restore point. In this you can see restore, system restore, click on this, click on next. Here you will find recently created restore points. As you can see, today is 11th July, so it is showing one day before of 10 July when the Windows update has created. So if you want older system restore dates, click on this show more restore point. Here we will find some more recently created restore points. You can see the oldest one is 29 June. You can select this one, then click on next, then click on finish. Then your PC will restart and it will be restored. You have to not worry that this method will not affect your files. This will only affect for installed programs. If you have recently installed your program on 5 or 10, that installed application will be removed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix exception on invalid stack BSOD error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.